Hey y'all, it's Destiny. In today's video, I'm going to show y'all how to do your lash extensions, so stay tuned to see how I achieve this look. You were my girl. Should've made you my world. Should've did everything. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be applying these lash clusters I found off Amazon. I guess some of the glue got on me. Oh nah. Okay, so these are the applications we're going to use for the clusters. First things first, make sure your lashes are clean and free of oils. Take the bond and apply it to your lashes, allowing it to become tacky. Go ahead and gently grip the cluster and dip the base in adhesive. I'm starting off with 24. Place the cluster underneath your natural lashes, close to your lash line, and not touching your eyelid. If you close your eye and it feels uncomfortable, take it off, start over, because you shouldn't feel anything. I will have my lash map down in the description for anyone that wants to use it, as well as this lash kit. So it's super easy, just continue applying the clusters, working from the outer to inner corner and layering for desired fullness. I wish I can look into the camera to give you guys a better view, but a girl can't see without her glasses, okay? So this is the first layer. You can keep them like this, but sweetie, I'm bold. I like mine's full. So we will be going in with a second layer, and you're just going to repeat those same exact steps. Now you're just going to clip it all together, or you can use the lash applicator for this. Now that you're done, make sure to use your lash sealant to secure the bond and be careful not to get any on the tips. Here's the finishing look, you guys. I love doing these. They last long and they're so pretty. You can do your own style or you can follow the lash maps. LOL, I see y'all comments saying girl don't cover them eyes. I can't help it. But I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Check the description and I'll see y'all next time. You were my girl.